How to use responsive AI in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use responsive AI in your Wix Studio website. It's going to be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account. After that, you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. You can click on it. And then you will be redirected to your website editor. Now you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. After that, you will be in the website dashboard. This is my website dashboards. So as you know, there is feature called responsive AI in Wix Studio. The feature helps you to make all of your content, all of your elements in your website more responsive. So we're gonna try it. So let's say I want to make this section more responsive. So now you can select this section. We're gonna right click and select a layer and choose section. Then you can just click on it. And then as you can see, this is the responsive AI feature. You can click on it, get a responsive section on all devices with AI. So we can just click generate now and it's generating. And as you can see, it's done. So let's try on the mobile version or tablet version first. So for this section, where is it? Section, it's still cool. How about on the mobile? I think it's not really good because I want it's in the center alignment. The alignment is in center, but yeah, maybe I will modify it later. But if you think it's good, you can just click apply design here, and yeah, it's done. So that's it, how to use responsive AI. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.